Hello everyone. So let's start about firewall and I just simply opened a terminal in Ubuntu and going to become a sudo first. So sudo su and press your password, hit enter. Now I am sudo and the first command should be sudo UFW status to verify whether the service is active or inactive. So it's inactive and now however I'm already sudo I'm in admin, right? So I don't need to put sudo again and again, and simply systemctl start UFW. So this is going to start the service and we can check again and see the status is active, and here we can see all the allowed ports and deny ports. Okay, like here you can see the 808 is denied and this one is the denied one. Okay, now what we can do, we can simply type any command to add or remove the person. Okay, so now I'm in the port. Now type UFW allow and then type the port slash the whether it is TCP or UDP. So like 443 slash TCP and see, this is added now. And if you type UFW status again, so we can see the port is allowed here. Okay, and if you want to deny this port, so you can simply execute deny command. Okay, and instead of allow, just type DENY deny and hit enter. The rule is updated. You can see here it's denied. Okay, and the next thing is, let's delete from the list like UFW status, and here you can see the 443 is denied, but I want to remove this from the list. So what you have to do is just count the numbers from here to the bottom side: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then type UFW delete number 8 and hit enter, asking whether it is yes or no, and then press yes. Rule deleted, and then we can check again, and here we can see the rule is deleted from the firewall rule. Okay, so this is how you can apply all the firewall rules in Ubuntu, and we can utilize this feature. So thanks for watching, have a nice day.